Sanbonani traders, welcome back to another live session of Nyse. So we'll be looking at Nasdaq. Sorry for the delay, guys. I've been busy, but yeah, I'm here now. So now we'll be looking at Nasdaq. I'm gonna explain this red line here. And why is it so important for you to draw it each and every single day, like Monday to Friday? So we'll be looking at that on this live as well. These are the Asian lows, and then these Asian highs. So I'm just waiting for the market so that I can see the behavior of the market on this level. And also you should also mark this, because this represent the low of the day as well. It is very important. But the lows and the highs that we're actually looking for, it's as if the market is gonna drop to this point. So we just have to wait. This is all about the waiting game, guys. You have to be patient. You need to be patient, guys. If you're a trader, you need to be patient. And then if you are patient enough, then I would say you have mastered 70% of Forex. Yeah. Because if you are patient, then you are the real one on Forex. So let's just wait, and then yeah. Oh, sorry guys, my Wi-Fi is tripping. I always wait for the first move, because the first move is always like a fake out. Since we have a new low, a new support for the day, and then let's see the behavior of the market at this support. And also this is a very, very important Asian low for the week as well. So let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Even if they drop the market, you don't have to panic. Oh, I missed this move, blah blah blah. No, wait. They know what they're doing. They will just drop the market to hit the low they made on Friday on the Nyse, a very important low as well. So I wouldn't be surprised if they just drop the market to this point, and then from there it's gonna literally just shoot up. So we just have to wait. We just have to wait. You can't, let's say if you're looking for a buy, you can't really buy here unless the market is above these two lines, like something like this, break here or a test here, and then you can actually look for a buy to this level. So price action is going to tell us what to do. And also the reason why the market had to reject this low that we made on Wednesday, this US low, and the market just rejected that, and then from there it just fell to the downside. So let's wait, because you see the Nyse session, for it to reject or to make a turn at a certain level or point, it has to find another low or high that they made on Nyse. So this is the one they made last week on Wednesday as well. So they rejected that. Also on Thursday, this is a very strong candle that broke below that low, and then the market had to come back and retest that low, and then from there it just shot down. I caught this. I remember this. Yeah, I caught this as well. Yeah, let's just wait. This, I didn't catch this. I didn't catch this. I think I was still at work, but I was rushing on my way back to my house, and then yeah, I missed this because also this was the high that they made on Wednesday as well. So Thursday the market pushed up to test that high, and then remember this was the high that they made on Nyse session, and then the Nyse session kicked in, and then from there they rejected that high, and then also guys, this is a high, this is another high, so they had to reject as well. So just dropped because we had a low once again on Wednesday, and then the market just strike through this level, and then from there he had to retest, and then it went down as well. So from there it hit okay, this is a high time frame, a low into the Nyse session, a very important low, and also we had a liquidity around this yellow line as well. So as you see, the market reacted to this line. This was Friday when we had Asian lows, and then the market took out the liquidity here, and then from there it rejected, and then it went up, and then it came back because this broke the structure here, came back for an order block here, and then from then just shot up. So we're just waiting, yeah. So for me, I like to wait on Mondays. I don't really trade. I just wait for the high and low to be traded for the new week, and then Tuesday I trade, Wednesday I trade, Thursday and Friday I do take trades if there's an opportunity for me to take a trade. So this week is gonna be an interesting week as well. We have NFP on Friday. I'm gonna smash it. Yeah, let's just wait. Okay, for now I can explain the importance of this red line. Okay, let me just remove this. Let me just remove this vertical line here, but then I'll put it back again. So we're gonna focus on this candle. Yeah, it's very small, so the reason why we mark this, and if you mark this, you have to mark a body, not a wick. We need to mark a body, not a wick. The closing body, not a wick. And then when the market opens on the next day, and then it's just gonna react from the close of the previous day. You see the market reacted, it went up, came back, reacted, rejection candlestick, it went up, came back, rejected, it went up once again, came back, rejected, fake out, rejection, sorry, no, this is a wrong line. And then it came back to this line once again. You see, you could have caught this one as well if you are intraday trader, and then from there it just shot up till it reaches the low on Wednesday, and then from there the Nyse kicked in, and then they dropped the market because this was the low that they made on Wednesday. So this was a break-in retest, and then we're just waiting for now. I don't really expect a huge move because it's still Monday. Even if there'll be a huge move, then it's fine. Then we'll be only interested at this low, and then we'll be able to catch crazy pips. You see, almost like 630 pips. Alright, so while I was still explaining this, and then right now it's Nyse session, and then this candle 1645 broke this horizontal line. This is the intraday, marking the close and the opening of this candle at 1 a.m. Yes, at 1 1 a.m. Yeah, right. And then this is a break, retest, and then sell. But it's not something that we're actually looking for. The only time we'll be like executing trades is when the market hits a previous a previous NYSE low or high. And we'll be looking at a psychological level as well. I'm not like, guys, don't get me wrong. If you know the strategy, I'm not saying it's very wrong to enter here. It's not wrong. You can actually get some crazy moves. But for me personal, I like to wait for the market to push at a US low or high, support or resistance of NYSE session. So sometimes I do take trades on if maybe like we're trading news. Of course, I have to analyze the dollar, and then I don't really analyze the like Nasdaq when I'm trading news. I just analyze the dollar, and then I know the direction of Nasdaq then. So if the market is not at the support or resistance, then it's around the intraday, and then if I know the direction of the dollar, and then I'll execute a trade on Nasdaq. So, but that's not the whole point of this video. So for now, I'm just waiting, like maybe for something like this, boom, and then, or for something like this. And also, we should also take note of the current NYC high, or something like this, and then boom. So confirmation are going to tell us what to actually do. But for me, I'll honestly wait for the market to be pushed at this level, and then I'll see the behavior of the market from this level. Or else, this is a very important high as well that we made on Thursday as well. So, and also there's a fair value gap here. So it will make sense for them to fill this gap, and then from there, just gonna drop. So I'm just waiting for the market to reach one of these, and then I'll know what to do. So yeah, the market rejected these lows here. This is a doji. Low volatility momentum, making a move, execute. So I'm not expecting like a huge, like crazy move, as they say. Low volatility momentum, making early move. So yeah. So it will be just monitoring the market for today's session, and then tomorrow I'm pretty sure that we're gonna have a move. But this week, like Monday to Thursday, I don't think we'll have those huge moves because of the NFP that we have. This coming NFP is gonna be huge because of like what's going on to the world, tariffs and yeah, inflation as well. So let's just wait. And also, if you are trading Bitcoin, like let's say crypto, you should like pay attention to the markets right now. Let's say like Bitcoin, XRP, this Trump coin as well. So pay attention to crypto. So I just hope everyone like understood the importance of this. But if you didn't understand, it's fine. You'll just comment, because I'm not gonna tell it this live. You'll just comment, and then I will explain. But I'm gonna tell it this live like a bit later. But I would advise you like to have this line each and every day, Monday to Friday. So let's say like today's Monday, and then tomorrow I'm gonna move it to Tuesday's opening candle. So yeah, sometimes they just retest this line, and then the market just shoots up or down. It depends. Like it depends on the trend. Yeah, let me say so. Depend on the trend. I think on my first live I mentioned that you should also look at the gaps, because they like to fill the gaps. They can't just let the market go wherever like they want the market to go to, and without filling the gaps. It like the market has to be balanced. So yeah. You see what I'm talking about? Here a gap here, and then they just push the market. This is the low that we made on this, Wednesday. Look what the market did, break, retest, and then from there retest as well. So this is not something that I'm actually looking for. So I can just really like execute the trades. So I would honestly like wait for the market to reach this low, and then from there I will buy and then hold till it reaches this level as well. So yeah, here's another like gap as well, very interesting gap. So we are just waiting, we're just waiting. But for me personally, like I only trade when I see an opportunity to trade. I don't just really execute a trade. So yeah, these are only time frames that I'm actually looking for. Daily, starting from daily, but I don't really analyze on daily. I just look at the body of the candle, and then I know, okay, next day gonna bullish or bearish. And then for hour, of course, it's a structure, high, low, lower, high, blah blah blah. You see, and then from there I'll just implement my strategy. So yeah. And then 1 hour as well. Like if you wanna see like a clear market structure, 1 hour has to be a favorite time frame. It has to be a favorite time frame. You can even use Fibonacci. Fibonacci, like Fib levels are very important as well. You see, so this came in between 50% and 61.8%. So you could have caught this move as well. But for me, I don't use Fib levels. I only use them when I'm skeptical, but I want to take a trade. But once like I have second thoughts about a trade, I don't actually execute it. So yeah. Another thing that I can advise you to have like period separators, like just to separate days so that you can see the low and the high of the previous day. So, but for me personally, I don't really use them because I know where to actually look for the period separators. And also have this side that we made on Friday. Yeah, so maybe like something like this could also happen. But you should be looking like at A1 setup. If you're looking for a buy, look for a buy. Because of the trend, yeah. And you see the market has been bearish as well. So it wouldn't make sense to look for a buy in a bearish market. Nope. So guys, what do you think about the direction of the NFP on Friday? I know it's still early, I'm asking this because of these tariffs, and there's inflation as well. This is a nice rejection of these Asian laws. Yo, very, very, very nice. But you can't just execute a trade. So you just have to wait for a rejection, and then of course there's a rejection at 5 p.m. and then from there, yeah. Like I said at the beginning of this live, you have to also mark this current high. So just waiting. Let's have a look at like Gementary. Gementary is just shooting up. You see the importance of this line at 10:30 a.m. in the morning. This is a pin bar. You would have just like executed the trade, and then yeah. But for me, I honestly think a retest is very, 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 very possible at this high. This is the high of the week. So if I am to trade this, something like this, and then boom, because the market is bullish. So here we are only looking at the high and low for London session, because G30 moves during the London session, and also this is the high for last week. So this is the high for last week as well. Yeah, look at this crazy rejection candle. Yeah, at 9:30. This is a manipulation. This is a manipulation. We could have just bought the market here. How many pips is this? 700 pips. Because this is a bullish candle and it shows a rejection at this level. Like this is intraday level, and also where the high. Actually, this is like break and retest, because we are a high on Friday. This is a high on Friday that they made on Gementary, and then they had to retest because of this candle that broke through, and then there's a retest. But if there's rejection, it caught a lot of people out, and then from there you could have just bought. But for me, I honestly think a retest is very, very much possible at this level, because this is a very, very, very important level, because this is a high, this is high low, and then it broke this high, and then a retest is very much possible at this level. So let's just wait, maybe like tomorrow, yeah. And also this is the low, this is a new low of the week as well in true Gementary. So don't be surprised if they just push the market to this low, and then from there they actually price, because this is a new support for the week. So it's very important as well. So yeah, let's just wait. Your Gementary keeps on pushing up. I'll be monitoring G30 starting from tomorrow, because I really want to catch this move, and then boom. I'll be monitoring G30 starting from tomorrow. And also, we've been bullish for a very, very, very long time, you see. So not unless something happens to the world, and then you will see stocks like dropping massive, like a massive drop. So for them, I would honestly think like they have to break this low, and then break this low once again, and then we'll be bearish, and then we'll only be looking for sales. So yeah, we are just waiting. For now, I'll be only looking for short-term buys, test buy. But for long-term sales, you will just have to wait for the market to break this low, and then break another low once again, and then at a test of these lows, and then we'll just hold the market. Yeah, let's see. Oh, by the way, this is DXY. This is a dollar index. So when I'm trading news, like NFP, CPI, FOMC, like Fed's interest rates, I look at that dollar. So for my confirmation, I look at the DXY, I look at USD CAD, I look at USD GPY. I'm gonna tell you like something that you should also look for. And like I said, I'm gonna delete this live session later on, because this is part of my strategy for news. So one thing that you should do, let's say we are trading news at 15:30, because now news are released at 15:30 because of the times are adjusted, and then you look at the dollar. Okay, I'm gonna make like an illustration right now. Okay, let me just delete everything here. Yeah, let's say okay, no, let me just do this on Nasdaq. Yeah. Okay. There's no pin chart here. Okay, let's use this. So let's say we have let's say this is Monday. Okay, let's say we have something like this. Right, just doing Monday to Friday, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then this is Friday. Yeah, we have something like this, and then the market opens on Monday. The market goes up, and then from there it just drops down, looking for a support. Boom, boom, and then boom, and then boom, and then boom, and then boom. The market closes here. Sorry. Okay, let me change this to maybe yellow. let's try red. No, let's try green. Yeah, and then we have a new high of the week now. I'm just doing like as an illustration on the X, Y. Yeah, this is the XY. This is the dollar, right? Okay. This is the dollar, right? Okay. So now we have a high of the week, and then we have a low of the week, right? All right. So now what you actually do, you wait for the market, and then you mark your, let's say, your intraday. But for me, when I'm trading like news, I don't really mark this. Okay. And this is what you can actually do on Nasdaq, if you're trading Nasdaq, like technicals, right? All right. So you have marked your opening candle on Tuesday now. All right. So let's say, okay, let me just do this. Let's say this is Monday. Yeah. And then this is Tuesday. Yeah, I think this is Wednesday. And then this is Thursday. Oh, sorry guys, my bad. But this is Thursday, and then this is Friday. Yeah. Okay, just give me a sec. I just wanna. Yeah. So you have something like this: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then let's say we're trading like NFP. Yeah, so yeah, on Friday as well, trading NFP on this coming Friday. So once again, the market like opens on this day. This is the dollar, and then boom, retest this level, and then from there, oh sorry, my bad. Then from there, just shoots here to this level. Remember, this level is the low of the week and the low that they made on Monday. And then from there, the market will just do something like this, then boom, something like this, and then boom. You see? And then maybe it closes around here. You see now? And then you Wednesday, you take this, you put it here. Wednesday. All right. Then you mark this level, because this is your high on Tuesday. But these two, they represent the low and the high of the week, because these are the only levels that you have to mark them 3 for you to know, okay, these levels. And then the market will open again on Wednesday. and then maybe it's gonna consolidate around this price, something like this, something like this, something like this, and then boom, once again, and then from there it just pushes up to something like this, and then it pushes up once again. From there it does something like this, it reaches to this, and then from there it closes around here. You see, it always like reaches the high or the level, I mean the low. And remember, now we have equal lows, so there's stop losses resting below these levels. So there's money in here. The market will be attracted to this money here. Remember that. So this will act like a magnet that is going to attract the market on the next coming days. Once again, you take this, you put it here. So now on Wednesday, there's no need for you, okay, to move anything, because everything is just marked very well. Then the market will open once again on Thursday. From there, it just maybe gonna push up to this healthy week, and then from there it just gonna drop maybe to something like this, and then it just drops, and then from here to something like this, and then boom. Come Friday, this is an interesting day for NFP. I just want to remove this. Oh my god. Okay, just give me a sec. Let me just take this. Yeah. What? Oh, okay. This is my illustration. Yeah. All right. Okay. So remember, guys, I'm showing you the strategy to trade in Nyse. But look at the dollar. Don't analyze Nasdaq or whatsoever. Analyze the dollar, and then you know the direction of the Nasdaq or US theory or German theory whatsoever. Oh, let me tell you something. German theory during NFP, during CPI, FOMC, PPI, it doesn't move, guys. Like, you won't get the movement like you will on Nasdaq. So something like this. Then Friday, we are trading let's say NFP, and then the market will open. The market will consolidate before the news release. Do something like this. Play around this line. Maybe it breaks. It retest. Come to this low of the day, and then it breaks again. Boom. You see. And then before, let's say 10 minutes or 20 minutes before the news release, they're gonna push the market to either low or high. Let me repeat this. Before news release, let's say 10 minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes, they're gonna push the market. There'll be high volatility volume, and then they will just push the market to the low or to the high, so that it can hit a US or NYSE low or high, whether it's the previous day or the low of the week or the high of the week. So let's say now they do this. They just let's say, okay, push the market up here, and then from there does something like this, and then yeah, and then it's gonna be maybe a couple of minutes. Okay, let me just adjust this, and then it's gonna, what the fuck, man? Oh no, actually it's, oh, this way, like, it's just way too far. It's April, so I know why it doesn't wanna move there. Okay, let's just remove it. It's fine. And then let's focus on this. And then remember now the market, it's at a US high, or yeah, it's at the US high, and they do this intentionally because they can't just release the news without the market hitting one of the high on low, but it has to be on the US or Nyse high or low, and then they will release the news. So from here, if the market is here, if the market is at the resistance, you know what you should do. I'm not gonna tell you guys. You know what to do if the market is here. Without even news release, you know if the market is at the resistance, what do you usually do? If the market is at the support, what do you usually do? But remember, this is not Nasdaq whatsoever. This is a dollar index, only $1. You can only do this on USD JPY, or you can only do this on USD CAD. Where dollar is strong, just do it. Yeah. And let's say you are trading gold. If you trade gold during NFP, CPI, PPI, or FOMC first interest rates, for you to get the direction of a gold, you need to analyze the dollar. You can analyze DXY, like I did on this illustration, or you can analyze USD CAD, you can analyze USD JPY as well. So USD JPY is fine, you can do that as well. I just hope everyone understood the importance of this level and this level, and the importance of the opening candle, you see. So I just hope you're all clear on that. If you didn't understand, you are very, very much welcome to pop an email, or else WhatsApp me, or else hit me on TikTok. I'm Lloyd_Daytrader, or you can just comment on this live, and then we'll take it from there. I'm just going to reply to the comments. So this is what you do to trade news. Analyze DXY. So if the dollar is strong, you should do the opposite on Nasdaq whatsoever. So even if they drop the market to this support, and then you actually know what to do when the market is at the support. So you're gonna do the opposite on Nasdaq. You don't analyze Nasdaq, no, analyze the DXY only. So this is what you do. Before news release. Do this before 3 minutes before they release the news, and then wait for that volume that usually comes before news release, and then so on that volume they just want to find support or resistance for the market, and then you know what they want to do. But wait for a rejection before 5 minutes, and then you know what to actually do. So yeah, you can do this on Nasdaq if you are trading technicals, just technicals, and then you are good. But for me, I don't even put these horizontal lines. Vertical lines. So I know how to separate these. So I hope everyone is clear, guys. So okay, we're gonna have a look on Nasdaq, and then I'll just end the stream. I'll be doing lives Monday to Friday, guys, for an hour or 2 hours, but that would depend on the volume of the market. If there's a volume on the market, then I'll probably stay for a couple of hours, maybe 2 hours or 3 hours, but I won't be on live for more than 3 hours. No, I can't really do that. So yeah, let's just wait. while I'm trying to clear everything up. What? Yeah, okay, it's fine. I'll see what I can do about this. Okay, you know what? It's fine. I'll just remove this some other time. All right. Let's forget for like okay. 1 hour, like okay, 30 minutes. Just like 15 minutes and then. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end the stream now. Yeah, you see what I'm actually talking about: break, retest, break, retest, and then yeah. Okay, I think right now Nasdaq is gonna consolidate. There won't be like a crazy move, so I think we just have to wait for the last market trend around like 9:30, 10. Because remember we have like 3 trends for the Nyse guys session. The opening 5:30 market trend, 6 to 7 p.m. market trend, and then the last market trend before the market close. I don't really like look at 5-minute time frame. 5-minute time frame somehow just makes me like emotional, man. There's a lot happening here, yo. So 15-minute time frame is my last time frame to go lower. I can't really go lower than that. This is for my entry. Look at the price action, and then because if you see here, this is a doji, this is a hanging man. If you know what a hanging man is, so yeah, maybe another rejection and then just goes up. But this is not the flow I was actually looking for, but I'm not surprised because it's only Monday. So yeah. think as I'm gonna end the stream right now. So we're gonna be here tomorrow, same time as well. So cheers, guys.